Hi everyone. In our previous video, this step was running when I was stopping the video. So what we did was we ran the simulation for 10 times by changing the random seed, and upon changing, you will receive 10 different simulation outputs. Now, this is an XML file, right? So for each interval, you have the set of outputs are stored as child elements for each interval. Now, in this form, it will be a bit difficult to analyze them, the data. Let's say if you want to visualize or take it as a table output or take to a report, this will be a bit difficult task. So what we are going to do, or rather look in this video, is that how we can convert these outputs that were generated by the simulator and convert them and store them in a meaningful fashion, or rather let's say in a tabular form, so that we can use it for our later analysis, right? So if you have followed this content so far, and if you think this content is useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, let's dive straight into the content of this video. Now for this, I will open a new Python script. We'll call it as let's say output pre-processing, right? So it's a Python script, and now now for this I'll be using so for this I'll be using a particular Python script that is available with SUMO installation called xml2csv. Yeah, there you go. So XML to CSV, this converts any SUMO XML file to a flat CSV representation, right? So yeah, so it's very simple. It needs to be it's in slightly different location. Earlier, all the Python scripts that I used was in tools, but this one is in tools XML, and then inside that you have this, right? So we'll see how we can use this. So I will use subprocess, and that's the only requirement for now. So let's say now for this is a bit different than my previous runs, or rather previous commands. So we'll try to take a moment and like run this. So I'll be executing this, or rather typing this within within the 3 quote block, right? So let me see whether I can format. Yeah, it doesn't support much, but let's try. Now, okay, so this will be Python, and then I need to use the path for SUMO, or the entire path. So SUMO home, and then tools, and then XML, and then xml2csv.py. So you can use this for other ones as well, but I mean, you will need to put that effort to get this part right. I mean, for this only you will need to go through this lengthy path, but the other ones that we used, you can straight away use it. Yeah. Yeah, so you can use that, and then this is the Python script, and then the rest goes as usual, right? So now for this you need to provide the like, let's say, one of the outputs. So let me provide that. So that is in this location. So this is the file that has to be converted, right? And then the corresponding output that you need, or rather the next input is the separator, and then I want it as a comma separated value, right? So that's the idea here, right? So so this is the formatting is not the best, but yeah, let's try running this and see whether it will generate the required output. So if that is the case, then I think we are good. So use this. Oops. So if I run this now, actually, comma. This should have. Maybe what this can see. Okay, the output is not generated. Let's see what could be the issue here. Tools, XML, xml2csv.py outputs. It's hard to find the error. Let's try. Yeah, I think I need a space here. That could be the reason. Let's run this. Okay, now it's following arguments are required. Source. Okay, what is that? Let's run one more time. Yeah, I think, I don't know, it's generated, the output is generated, right? So let me remove this and I'll show it to you again. Right, so if I run this, yeah, you see now the for the same XML file, the output is generated, right? So now the output is in tabular form, and you see we have 12 records altogether, and then you have the start time, end time, and then the particular emissions that were made. Now I want to do this, right? I want to run this command for all the available files over here. So for that, I need to probably use these up to here, right? Because I want to generate the same set of random numbers. That's why. So then for that, I need to import random, and let's see. Yeah, so I can keep it like this. And what else I can do? Right. So what I can do is, let me run this within for loop. Let's say for random number in random numbers, and then let me tap this. So got this, and now here I will pass inside f string. Then I will change this to random number. So this should do the trick. So if I run this, all the files should be converted, right? You see the files are being converted, right? So now you have all the outputs generated by the simulator converted to CSV format. So the next step would be to aggregate them together to a single file. We'll see how we can do it in our next video, and we'll see you on the next video and complete the rest of the script.